Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and there's going to be a part 2. I have decided to whip out my handy dandy straw and stop using that blow dryer, which is noisy anyway. And I'm going to add a few colors where they'll pop that should give the impression of flowers. I hope. We'll see. Just add some definition to the center. And a little more black in some places. And a little more gold in others. Maybe some blue. Although blue and that orangey yellow color might be a mistake. Could turn me green. Well, that was interesting. Now I got to have put one in the center. I think. We'll see. I definitely still want to put some green around the outside edges. That was the peacock. This is Venetian blue. I still want a little more purple. I kind of want some white, actually. I'm going to take a chance. Even if I don't change them much, they'll add a little bit of interest. It looked really good through the camera monitor. I wasn't sure it was going to look good at all, but it's interesting. Oh, I finally got a white one. Oh, maybe I did that already. Suppose I could put some green around the center too. Getting lightheaded. That one needs a little black. I think I need something else right here. Still thinking about that green. Okay, one more. I see it. Now I gotta decide about the green. So move a couple things out of the way. my green. I'm going to try it in the center. It needs something, obviously. Kind of want to put a point on there, and I guess I probably don't need it. Hope this works. Yes, I saw the drip. Oh. What do I usually do when I have that? I find myself a skewer. Tried to take out my flour. I need a little bit of everything. And I see I have a lump of something. Yes, that's coming out. That is what's coming out of my straw. Guess what it is? Okay, so we'll just do them all at once. See how spitty we can get. That is an amethyst purple from Artist Loft. I'm trying not to do the same exact thing on all of them. It might not even look good. I'm kind of hoping it will, though. That hot orchid is bleeding into my green. Oop, forgot one. I need another one. Wow, go figure. While I'm at it, might as well do what I need to do all the way around. And then if I have to do it around the outside, I will. I really like it with the blue in there. Sometimes my ideas don't work, but I can keep my fingers crossed on this one. I apologize if my head's in the way. It's a weird painting. Not going to worry about the black. I just need something in those spots. Although the black probably was a better idea than I thought, because it needs to have something that makes it stand out from what's next to it. Strange. Just a drop. Sorry I'm quiet. I'm trying not to contemplate failure. I refuse to swipe this. And there we go. That is what it is. Oh boy, I see stuff I want to fix. I'm a fixer, what can I say? I'm doing it. It's a lot of work for something you're not sure about. That I'm basically watching glop up. But it is what it is, and it's done. Whatever it is, it's a wreath. And like I said, I often become fond of things the next day or later this same day. I'm going to fix my drips and make them into leaves. Tell you guys I love you. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights so far. Still at 10 p.m. And I'm not sure about the daytime hours. I got one more thing I want to do right there. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. I just want to kind of reconfigure that center section just a little bit. So it's a lot less uneven. It is what it is. I love you guys. I hope you come again. It looks beautiful from up here. Except for I see 2 eyes. I'm going to have to put some white over. I'm definitely going to have to put some white over. I should have checked my finger first. I'll clean that up after you're gone. Alright, I love you guys. I told you what I needed to tell you at the end of the last video. And I'm sorry it took so long to get around to it. Please ask me questions if you want. On my community board, you're going to find tomorrow's video often. Or on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, the group for students on Facebook that you can find on the link tree. And the link tree is the first blue link under the video. Under the link tree, you can find my email address. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork, let me know that way with the hashtag and the number that's next to it in the title of any video. On the link tree, you will also find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, more Facebook groups, and my Le Gallerist with beautiful fashion clothing from Montreal, dresses and other beautiful things. Please like, share, and watch longer. The thumbs up helps me. Your comments help my morale, and watching longer helps my standing on YouTube. Although it's not really working at the moment, I live in hope that it may someday. My Amazon link is also in the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. And my 2 books are there. Because I can, I mentioned that, and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time, and who knows how much longer it's going to go on, but in any case, I love you very much, and I'm glad you're here. Thank you. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell again, in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, out. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. See you.